Okay, so we put this piece of wood right there. Can't have the fence messing up our slab. Okay.
Ponle alambre, deja de grabar. Ponle alambre ahí.
Okay, as I was saying, Juan's TikTok is doing great. And it's hot. Okay, so today, now we're getting the rebar in. We have our finishing machine.
¿Qué quieres, el cuartito de viejo?
No.
Español.
Our pumper has failed us. And now load 2 has gotten here. Load 2 is here. Our pumper failed. Now we're trying to recover.
Mira mi bola de huella, tío. Genio.
¿Qué tiramos?
Sí, miren mi bola de huella, tío.
I have the Exenio box.
Exenio box. Hi box, how you doing? Exenio box.
We're almost done. They're rooming the last 30 feet. And we'll be out. Look at the horse. Look at the horse. I'm sure the horse is gonna like the new driveway.
Yeah, 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock start.
Oh yeah.
Me and the chickens are tired. What do you have to say, Dad, about this job?
It's been a long day.
Been a long day. How come we didn't schedule anybody for saw cutting?
I did. I scheduled Daniel, Jose, and Larry.
This is not scheduling.
Boy, that's a good bottle of water.
You guys working fucking right now? It's fucking 5 o'clock. It's fucking 5 o'clock afternoon. Almost 6 o'clock in the afternoon. You fucking work? What the fuck? The time of the back days.
So?
Fuck?
We poured a lot of concrete today. Huh?
How many loads?
60?
60. Come on.
60 yards, 6 trucks.
It's nothing for me.
What do you mean it's nothing for you?
We start like 4 o'clock in the morning. We finish like around 1 o'clock p.m.
1 o'clock p.m.
Afternoon.
Yeah, well, we're doing nice work. We don't just blow through it like you.
No.
Yeah, we do quality, high quality. This is the highest quality driveway you've ever seen.